Voiceover script, how to dispute credit report errors on Equifax Online. Spotted credit report errors on Equifax Online. Spotted a mistake on your Equifax credit report? Here's how to fix it quickly and online. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to dispute credit report errors on Equifax step by step so you can protect your credit score and avoid costly issues. Step 1, go to Equifax.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, create it using your personal details. Step 2, once logged in, navigate to your credit report section. Step 3, carefully review the report and look for incorrect entries like late payments, account balances, or unknown accounts. Step 4, click on the item you want to dispute and select Dispute this item. Step 5, choose the reason for your dispute from the list and provide any supporting documents if needed. Step 6, submit your dispute and wait for Equifax to investigate. This usually takes up to 30 days. Quick tip, take a screenshot or save your confirmation number after submitting your dispute for easy follow-up. Was this helpful? Like this video, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and let me know in the comments if you've ever had to fix a credit report error. Thanks for watching.